Now standard 10, 11, exercise number 8.1. Okay. Yesterday we have done some example. Okay. I have taken here the procedure to how to solve. Be careful, it is for exercise 8.1. First of all, in the given data you are given the ratio sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, whatever it may be, एक ratio आपको. From that you will find the two sides in terms of the constant multiple. એના ઉપરથી constant multiple k non-zero constant લઈ બે સાઈડ તમને મળી જશે. Clear? Third steps. Find the required third sides with the help of which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What theorems? Pythagoras theorem થી આપણે third side શોધી લઈશું. ત્રણ સાઈડ મળી ગઈ એટલે આપણે બધા રેશિયો મળી શકે. Then find other required or asked ratio. જે તમને રેશિયો પૂછેલા છે તે તમે લખી કાઢો. Then simplify it. Then you will like sometimes they will be asked sin A plus cos A upon tan A. તો તમે આથી ત્રણ શોધ્યા તેની વેલ્યુ અહીંયા મૂકીને એને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરી દેવાનું. Nothing else. Okay. First find the write the given ratio. પહેલા આપણે જે રેશિયો આપેલો છે તે લઈ લો. From that find the two sides in terms of the constant multiple. Then find the third side with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Third sides are being find the other required ratio from these triangles. Then put this value and simplify it. You will get this. Check. Exercise number 8.1, example number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. Right angle at B. AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Determine sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. चार रेशियो शोधवाना છે. Clear? So in triangle ABC, so I have drawn here B is right angle. B is right angle. AB is 24 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. બે સાઈડ મળી ગયો. સર તમે તો અહીંયા કીધું કે રેશિયો આપેલો હશે. Sometimes they will be given directly sides. તો આપણને ઉલટાનું ઈઝી પડી ગયું. In terms of constant multiple भी नहीं लेवा पड़ेगा. Now you will select the side which is opposite side and which is adjacent side. Okay, with reference to angle A. એના રેફરન્સ ના અંદર જોઈએ તો BC is opposite side and AB is adjacent side. You know it. From these two sides, what you will find? You will find the third side. Here third side is your hypotenuse. Applying the Pythagoras theorem. Applying the Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. 524 whole this square plus 7 whole this square. 576 plus 49, 625. AC is equal to 25 centimeters. That is your answer. Hypotenuse whatever. Now you have find the third sides by the find the other required ratio with reference to A. With reference to A. Sin A. Yesterday I have told you that you must learn this. What is the definitions of sin A? What is meant by sin A? Opposite side upon what? Hypotenuse. बराबर बुकी मुको. Otherwise જો તમે એન્જિનિયરિંગ માં જશો એન્જિનિયરિંગ સાઇડ ઉપર then it is a part of your life. આખી જિંદગી તમારે આવ્યા જ કરશે. during the study. Sine A is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Which is your opposite side? BC. Which is your hypotenuse? AC. What is the value of BC? 7. And what is this one? 25. Get it? Cos A. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is your adjacent side? What is your adjacent side? AB. What is your hypotenuse? AC. Then 24 upon 25 is your answer. Get it? Now I have drawn other figures. પાછી એક બીજી figures draw કરી. To clarify it. It is not necessary actually. તમે ની draw કરો તો પણ ચાલે. With reference to B of AB is opposite side, BC is adjacent. It will be interchange. It will be interchange. Now AB, C ni opposite side AB. C ni adjacent side BC. Clear? With reference to angle, D is wrong. With reference to angle C. જો આપણે પાયથાગોરસ થી શોધિત કાઢેલું છે, it is not necessary to repeat this one. So this is equal to this. Now with reference to this one, what is your sin C? Sin C આપણે શોધીએ. Sin C, same formula, opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is your opposite side? Here it is AB and hypotenuse AC. 24 upon 25. Cos C. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is your adjacent side? BC. What is your hypotenuse? AC. 7 upon 25. That is your answer. Very simple. Okay. Find the two sides. From two sides you will find the third side. Third sides મળી ગઈ. પછી તમારા જે રેશિયો એટલે શોધી કાઢવાનું. That is your answer. Clear? Number 8.2, example number 2. Find tangent of P minus cot R for the following figures. In triangle PQR, Q is 90 degree, you are given. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 90, you are given. You are also given PQ is equal to 12 and PR is equal to 30. Phi you have to find this one. PR is equal to 30. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, 13 square, PQ square, 12 square plus QR square, 169, 144 plus QR square, 169 minus 144 is equal to QR square. Get it? 25 is equal to QR square. Taking the square of both sides, QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Get it? 5 centimeter. Then tangent of P. Tangent of P. Tangent of P. With reference to P, QR is opposite side and PQ is your adjacent side. Tangent of P, opposite side of angle P and adjacent sides of angle Q. P. Which is your opposite side? QR. Which is your adjacent side? PQ. Main वस्तु તમને આ વળી જોઈએ. Tangent of P is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. એ વસ્તુ main છે. બાકી બધું as usual છે. બે સાઈડ એમાં ત્રીજી સાઈડ tangent રેશિયો શોધો વેલ્યુ મૂકો. QR is equal to 5 upon 12. Now cot of P, cot of R, not P, cot of R. With reference to R, PQ is your opposite side, QR is your adjacent side. What is defined? Cot R is defined as adjacent of angle R upon opposite side of angle R is equal to PQ QR. QR is your and PQ same 5 minus 12. Now tangent of P minus cot of R, 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12 is equal to 0 is your answer. Get it? પછી મેં તમને કીધેલું તેમ કે put this value and simplify it. Now example number 3. Example number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 upon 4. Now he has given the ratio. Here you are given the directly side, here he has given the ratio. Indirectly he has given 3 sides. Opposite side and hypotenuse. 3 is your opposite side, 4 is your hypotenuse. Calculate cos A. Calculate cos A and tan A. તમારે બે રેશિયો શોધવાના છે, cos A and tan A. થર્ડ સાઇડ્સ પહેલા તો આપણે શોધીએ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ draw the figure. A, B, C. B is take right angles. A is equal to opposite side 3K, that is your 4K. From that find AB. Clear? Now in triangle ABC, angle B is 90. Okay, sine of A is equal to 3 upon 5. Sine of A is equal to opposite side EC upon hypotenuse AC is equal to 3 upon 4. That means it is 3K and that is 4K if K is non-zero constant. ચાલો હવે આપણે જોઈએ. Let K is not equal to 0 constant, therefore BC is equal to 3K and AC is equal to 4K. BC is equal to 3K, BC 3K, AC 4K. Simple. Got it? Now by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square 4K whole square. AB square is equal to, you want to find BC square, that is your 3K square, 3K whole square, 16K square, AB square plus 9K square, 16K square minus 9K square is equal to AB square square, 7K square is equal to AB square Therefore, AB is equal to square root of 7k. AB is equal to square root of 7k. Okay. AB is equal to square root of 7k. You want to find cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent sides of A upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side of A is equal to AB. Is equal to AB upon AC. AB is equal to how much? Root 7k. AC is equal to how much? 4k. Root 7 upon 4 is your answer. Now what you want to find? Tan A. Tangent of A is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. What is your opposite side? BC. What is your adjacent side? AB. BC is equal to 3k. AB is equal to root 7k. K cancel. That means your answer is 3 upon root 7. આપણે જે રિક્વાયર્ડ ટ્રાયમેટ્રી શોધવાના ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી રેશિયો શોધવાના cos A ને tan E we have find it. Okay, that is your result.